In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. This will be particularly useful if you want your Outlook events to stay updated seamlessly in your Google Calendar. We'll go through the process step by step so you can easily keep track of all your appointments and meetings in one convenient place. Let's dive right in. To start, you need to get your calendar link from Outlook. Head over to Outlook on the web. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon, which represents settings. From there, select View All Outlook Settings. This will bring up a menu where you need to choose the Calendar tab, then look for Shared Calendars. In this section, under Publish a Calendar, you'll want to select the specific calendar you wish to sync. Make sure to choose the Can View All Details option, which will allow Google Calendar to display your events accurately. After you've done that, click on Publish. Now, here's an important part. You should see a link next to ICS link. Go ahead and copy it. Remember, it's crucial to use the ICS link instead of the HTML one, as the ICS format is what Google Calendar uses to sync properly. With your Outlook calendar link copied, we can now move on to Google Calendar. Open up Google Calendar in your browser. On the left side of the interface, you should see a section labeled Other Calendars. Click on the little plus sign next to it, which will open up a menu of options. From these options, select From URL. A box will appear, prompting you to paste the ICS link you copied earlier. After you've pasted it, click Add Calendar. And there you have it. Your Outlook events will now start showing up in your Google Calendar under the Other Calendars section. It's important to note that these events will be read only in Google Calendar, meaning you won't be able to edit them directly from there. Any changes to your events need to be made in Outlook, and these updates can take several hours to sync to Google. This method provides a seamless way to view all your calendar appointments across platforms, without the hassle of switching back and forth between two separate calendars. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide useful in keeping your calendar events organized and up to date between Outlook and Google Calendar. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.